Racing just is started. Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? First to show quickness at the start, moving up down on the inside class. Babes Magic in their portion. High in action and on the outside now is T-Boy ng loob getting the wild strip as they make the first turn. And going along for the first turn, we have Class Act by about 3/4 of a length lead. Babes Magic is right behind in second. 4 lengths further back in third comes Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? High in action comes next while T-Boy ng loob still racing in last half mile distance. They traveled. We have 2 entries fighting out for the lead. Class Act Babes Magic is on the outside second. Coming closer now in third is Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? High in action while T-Boy ng loob is still racing in last and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? By about 3 lengths, Babes Magic in second. Down on the inside, Class Active by ng-loob, high in action. And as they swing for home, we have Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? By about 4 lengths, followed by Babes Magic in second. Class Act still in third, Tibay ng-loob, high in action. Last 100 meters, we have Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? By about 6 lengths, followed by Babes Magic. And finally, it's Ikaw ha? Ikaw ha? Babes Magic, Tibay ng loob, Class Act, high in action.